Kochi-Muziris Biennale, India's largest international contemporary art exhibition, held every 2 years in Fort Kochi, Kerala, featuring the installations, painting, performance and films. The 6th edition, running from December 12, 2025 to March 31st, 2026, is curated by Nikhil Chopra with HH Art Spaces. Key details of KMB 2025-26 Theme. Titled For the Time Being, the exhibition focuses on a fleeting moment of togetherness. Location spread across 22 plus venues including Aspinwall House, Darbar Hall and various house verses in Fort Kochi, Matangeri and Wellington Island. Artist features 66 artists and collective from over 25 countries, featuring diverse works from artists like Adrian Willer, Rojas and Basha Chakravarti. Events. Beside art installations, the event included the seminars, workshops and educational programs. Significance. The founded in 2012, it is a major cultural event in Asia, transforming Kochi into a vibrant art hub for several months. The key events details. Dates 12 December 2025 to 31st March 2026. Time. Venue are typically open daily from 10 am to 6 pm. Location primarily held across the historic neighborhoods of Fort Kochi and Matangeri with some satellite venues in Ernakulam. The Kochi-Muziris Biennale is an international exhibition of contemporary art held in the city of Kochi in Kerala, India. It is the largest art exhibition in the country and the biggest contemporary art festival in Asia. The Kochi-Muziris Biennale is an initiative of the Kochi Biennale Foundation with the support from the Government of Kerala. The concept of the Kochi-Muziris Biennale was ideated and executed by Venu Vasudevan IAS, who was the Government of Kerala's Cultural Secretary. The exhibition is set across Kochi, with the shows being held in existing galleries, halls and site-specific installations in public spaces, heritage buildings and vacant structures. Indian and international artists exhibit artwork across a variety of mediums, includes film, installations, painting, sculptures, new media and performance art. The Kochi-Muziris Biennale trend to invoke the legacy of the modern metropolis of Kochi and its mythical predecessor, the ancient airport of Muziris. Alongside the exhibition, the Biennale offers a program of talks, seminars, screening, music, workshops and educational activities for the school children and students. In May 2010, Mumbai-based contemporary artists of Kerala origin, Bose Krishnamajari and Riyas Komu, were approached by the then Culture Minister of Kerala, M.A. Baby, to start an international art project in the state. Acknowledging the lack of an international platform for contemporary art in India, Bose and Riyas proposed the idea of a Biennale in Kochi on the lines of the Venice Biennale. The Kochi Biennale Foundation is a non-profit charitable trust engaged in promoting art and culture in India. With the Kochi-Muziris Biennale as its primary focus, KBF was founded in 2010 by arts boss Krishnamajari and Riyas Komu. The first Kochi-Muziris Biennale began on 12 December 2012. The Biennale hosted 80 artists, with nearly 50% of foreign artists. Site-specific works and an education program in the 3 months. The Accent Wall House exhibits the work of 44 artists. In March 2015, the Kochi-Muziris Biennale Foundation partnered with the Center of Public Policy Research, Kochi, for the first urban space dialogue in Kochi to advocate for the need for creating urban spaces in Kochi. The dialogue featured to Nuru Karim, Raj Cherubal, Dhanaraj, Jitesh Kalat, Bose Krishnamajari, and Riaz Komu. According to Tate Modern, Kochi-Muziris Biennale was the best Biennale they had ever seen. The Biennale accrued 1,50,000 visitors in its first month and 2,50,000 visitors in its second, averaging 8,000 visitors a day. A site-responsive artist-led initiative, the Biennale was conceived not merely as an exhibition but as a civic project firmly rooted in the history and the everyday reality of the Kochi's Fort Kochi and Mattancherry, where it unfolded every 2 years, building together the artists from across India and the world. The Biennale presents the work is scanning diverse mediums and disciplines. Alongside its main exhibition, it hosts a vivid ecosystem of talks, film programs, workshops, residencies, and educational programs, creating a unique platform for dialogue, exchange, and discovery.
पवन का खंभा या